I built a 30-day YouTube monetization plan using Claude AI. Not a get-rich promise. A structured system. Here is what you need to know before we start. YouTube has 2 monetization tiers. Early access, 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, plus either 3,000 watch hours in 12 months or 3 million shorts views in 90 days. That unlocks super thanks, memberships, and shopping. Full ad revenue, 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. That unlocks the 55% ad revenue share. This video gives you the exact 30-day plan, the Claude prompts, and the honest truth about what AI can and cannot do for your channel. Before we build anything, let me be direct about what Claude does and does not do. Claude accelerates niche research, content calendars, script drafts, title and thumbnail brainstorming, shorts repurposing from longform, and performance analysis prompts. Still entirely on you, your unique voice and personality, showing up consistently, on-camera presence, real expertise your audience trusts, community building, and choosing depth over volume. One critical thing, YouTube renamed repetitious content to inauthentic content in July 2025. Repetitive AI scripts over stock footage risk being treated as inauthentic and may lose monetization eligibility. YouTube targets mass-produced, low-value content, not every video that used AI in production. This means your face, your voice, your expertise. Claude is the co-pilot. You are the pilot. Always. Week 1. Days 1 through 7. Niche, positioning, and your first video. Here is the Claude prompt I use on day 1. I want to start a YouTube channel about my topic. I have expertise in my background. Help me define a niche that is specific enough to stand out but broad enough to sustain 50+ videos. Give me 3 positioning options with target audience, content angle, and why each would work. The checklist for week 1. Day 1 through 2, define your niche and audience with Claude. Day 3 through 4, research 10 competitor channels manually. Day 5, plan your first 4 video topics with Claude. Day 6 through 7, write and record video number 1. By the end of week 1, your niche is locked, your first 4 topics are chosen, and video 1 is recorded. Week 2. Days 8 through 14. Full calendar and scripts for videos 2 through 4. Look at the content calendar on screen. The pattern is video, short, edit day, video, short, rest, plan. Repeat for 4 weeks. Target 8 long-form videos, 16 shorts, 8 community posts, and 2 live streams in 30 days. I asked Claude to help write scripts using this structure: hook in the first 10 seconds, problem statement, solution walkthrough, proof or example, call to action. Claude writes the draft. I rewrite it in my voice. That last step is non-negotiable. The script must sound like you, not like a language model. By the end of week 2, your calendar is set, scripts for videos 2 through 4 are written, and those videos are recorded. Week 3. Days 15 through 21. This is where you improve quality. Look at the title test on screen. 3 options for the same video. How to use AI for YouTube, too vague. Claude AI changed my YouTube strategy, better but still generic. I built a 30-day YouTube plan with Claude AI, specific, measurable, personal. That wins. Here is my hook writing prompt for Claude: write 5 opening hooks for a video titled X. Each hook must be under 15 seconds spoken. Use pattern interrupts, curiosity gaps, or bold claims with proof. Claude generates options. I pick the one that sounds like me. I test 2 thumbnails per video when possible. Claude helps brainstorm the concept, but you design it or commission it. By the end of week 3, your hooks are sharper, your titles are tested, and videos 5 through 6 are live. Week 4. Days 22 through 30. Shorts, analytics, and planning month 2. Here is my shorts repurposing prompt. Here is my video script for this title. Extract 3 standalone 45-second segments that work as YouTube Shorts. Each must open with a hook and end with a call to action. And here is my analytics review prompt. My top video got X views, Y% retention at 30 seconds, Z% click-through rate. My worst got a views, B% retention. What patterns do you see? What should I change for the next 4 videos? By day 30, you have 8 long-form videos, 16 shorts, 8 community posts, and 2 live streams live. You have real data. You have a Claude-assisted analytics review. And you have a plan for month 2 based on what the data actually shows, not what you hoped would work. Let me show you estimated RPM ranges by niche. These are third-party estimates, not official YouTube rates. RPM varies by country, season, audience, and ad inventory. Personal finance, $8 to $15 RPM. Software and AI content, $6 to $12. Real estate, $5 to $10. Health and medical, $3 to $8. Entertainment and gaming, $1 to $3. This matters because your niche choice in week 1 determines your RPM ceiling. AI and software content earns 4 to 6 times more per view than entertainment. The same 10,000 views could earn you $12 or $120 depending on the niche. Choose your niche with Claude on day 1. Consider audience size, your expertise, and the RPM ceiling. All 3 matter. Here is the exact Claude workflow for every video you produce. Step 1. Topic validation. Is this topic specific enough? Who searches for this? Step 2. Script structure. Hook, problem, solution, proof, call to action. Step 3. Title and thumbnail brainstorm. 5 title variants ranked by curiosity and clarity. Step 4. Record and edit. This is you. On camera. With your voice. Claude cannot do this. Step 5. Description and tags. SEO-optimized description with chapters and keyword tags. Step 6. Shorts extraction. 3 standalone 45-second clips from the long-form script. Steps 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 are Claude. Step 4 is you. That split is the entire system. Your next 30 days. Here is the checklist. Lock your niche with Claude by day 2. Build your 30-day calendar by day 8. Publish 2 long-form, 4 shorts, and 2 community posts per week. Add a live stream in weeks 2 and 4. Test titles with Claude before every upload. Review analytics with Claude after day 21. Plan month 2 based on what the data shows. Claude plans the system. You show up every day. Monetization follows consistency, not tricks. That is the full 30-day plan. Niche strategy, content calendar, scripts, hooks, thumbnails, shorts repurposing, analytics, and the honest truth about AI and YouTube. Comment plan in the comments and I will drop the full Claude prompt pack, the 30-day calendar template, the title testing sheet, and the analytics prompt in the pinned comment. If you are building a channel, subscribe. I make practical videos on Claude AI, PostgreSQL, and developer tools. Hit subscribe. Hit the bell. Allah Hafiz.